The business in Poland, for instance, or in CEE in general, is much more international. Or has always been much more international than the Nordic business. The Nordic markets are looking, let's say, from Europe into the Nordic region. Looks from the outside like a closed shop a little bit. I mean, I remember my first days when we started 2006 and were trying to generate some business. All the people were a bit cautious. Who's Helaba and what can they add in comparison to the local banks and investors. And maybe from a financing point of view, I mean, I can confirm that a lot of American money is coming into the Nordic region again. And when I look at our pipeline, I mean, last year we have done the first deal with Starwood, a retail transaction in the Nordic region. That was one of the first, I think, large direct investments from a US investor in the Nordics after the crisis, when I'm not wrong. And I think that will continue in the next years. But what all the statistics do not cover is all the indirect investments these Anglo-Saxon investors were doing in the past. And I think that is also now changing. The Nordic market has always been some kind of a complementary market to the core markets like London, Paris, or even Germany, or maybe Poland. But this is changing. It's changing. It's shifting into a core market for these investors. Blackstone is opening an office in Copenhagen very soon. So that is a good signal. It shows already that the Nordic market, is a core market for these kind of investors.